From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, State College. I'm student meteorologist Josh Kobar, coming at you live with a look at Beaver Stadium. Right now, temperatures around 48 degrees. As you can see, partly cloudy skies, but a little bit gusty as well, with winds at 26 miles per hour from the west. As we zoom out from the median area, you can see relatively similar temperatures across the board. However, there is a bit of a warm spot in Harrisburg, and as we can see as well, that extends into the Philadelphia region, where they're at about 65, whereas the rest of the state's around low 50s to upper 40s. As you can see, as a look at the radar and satellite, overall, it's a little bit quiet, except for the northwest area near Erie, Franklin, and Bradford, where we got a little bit of rain coming through. And of course, there is some cloud cover in the southeast as well, as this low pressure makes its way through the state. You can see, zooming out from the entire country view here, not a whole lot of action when it comes to the rest of the country. It's really just in this upper region with Quebec, Toronto, and Halifax, and of course Pennsylvania, where that low pressure system is, of course, making its way through. And of course, that is bringing lower temperatures. And in fact, tonight we have a freeze watch for the northern part of the state until Tuesday at 9 a.m. This is because that cold front is bringing some really cold temperatures for our lows. Even though the days will be a little bit warmer, the evenings will be quite cold. And of course, we'll go into that further. As we look at today, you can see it's going to be around 52 degrees with partly cloudy and isolated showers. Overall, pretty average day for October. Winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. But as we look into the evening, as you can see, there are the colder temperatures finally. It has been very warm for a while. Of course, we had that bit of rain a couple of weeks back, but now we are into the colder temperatures at around 35 degrees with some light cloud cover. Winds do calm down as we move on. If we take a look at the future weather, you can see this is for Tuesday morning. Temperatures and conditions remain relatively similar. The cold front makes its way through a little bit slowly, but you can see cloud cover is kind of partly. Sometimes it will be a bit more, other times it will be a bit less. You can see where these isolated showers really come through. Tuesday looks very similar to today, where you can see a little just isolated everywhere. Hard to predict, but just be prepared in case you might be coming out of a building or a class, and you might just need an umbrella for a little bit. As we move into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, you can see a bit of the same, a little bit of a break there with the clouds by the looks of it, but then of course as we move on through Wednesday, you can see where those isolated showers and scattered showers continue. And then of course as we make our way into the 7-day forecast, you can see here, Monday through Wednesday are very similar days when it comes to conditions and temperatures, hovering around that upper 50s into the high 40s. With partly cloudy and, of course, those isolated showers, as I mentioned. Lows are very similar across the board, though. As you can see, we're looking around 35 for Monday and Tuesday, and that really doesn't change much for the rest of the week. Of course, Thursday through Sunday, though, and, of course, into our weekends, sun does make a nice return as that low pressure makes its way through. We get some higher pressure. And temperatures go up a little bit as well. We're looking at the upper 50s, and so even to extent the upper 60s as our weekend progresses, which will be very nice for the weekend. So, get out, enjoy the nice temperatures while you can. And of course, from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Josh Kobar. Thank you. Have a great day.